1968 GTO, and I think it's a 400. All the Pontiac blocks are the same. I don't know if that's probably a 400. I think they had 400s versus 389s back there. It's got the proper Pontiac blue. It's got a white interior. It's convertible, which is smart having a white interior. When you're in a convertible, you jump in those seats, you got black seats, you'd be like, you know what I mean? Especially with vinyl. So, four on the floor. This thing's sweet. This thing's super sweet. I like the blue and white like this. Well, it's black and white interior actually, but keep that interior clean. You know, you need to take you some work, but you know, maybe oyster white might be a better choice, but you know, but it looks nice though. Marine Corps. There's no rust up around a trunk lip or nothing like that. It's a solid car all the way around. See, the trunk's got the right spray in here. I don't know if this is original with a, you know, I mean, I don't know what he had to do body work to this, but it looks like this might be probably all original panels on here. It might be a real well-preserved car with a, you know, upgraded paint job. Don't look like anything's been repaired on this car. You know, I mean, usually you can't tell, but it doesn't quite have. This might be either an older restoration or original paint. It's got a couple little minor scratches on it stuff, but very clean. I love the color scheme though, blue and white with a convertible. Stand back there and take a look at that. That's sweet, ain't it?